3 guns and run. We jumping on the train. I just finished watching my boy Eisner's tactical 3 guns and run. I like it. So I just said I'm gonna make one. I'm gonna jump on the train. I'm gonna make one. So shout out to my boy Eisner's tactical. His YouTube name is right here. Let me see if I'm doing that right. Yeah, his YouTube name is right here. Y'all go subscribe to my boy. The first gun we're gonna go with is a handgun, obviously. So the gun I'm taking is the Glock 45, chambered in 9mm. I just got this gun. Not gonna lie, I just got this gun. I normally got the 19X. I wanted the black gun, so I got it. But I just finished shooting this yesterday, and I don't know what it is about it, but it shoot flatter than the 19X. I don't know if it's the barrel, but I like it a little bit more than the 19X. So the first gun will be the Glock 45. Now, I do got some attachments I can throw on here, but I'm kind of going back to the basics. So, you know, the lightest option possible. It's not the lightest option possible because I could throw the TLR7 on there, but this light is not as bright as this one. Plus, this sticks out a little bit longer than the slide, so I can push this up against anything. So yeah, a reminder. Dang, where did my batteries go? I just ordered batteries for every optic and every light that I got yesterday. So this is kind of a reminder to order you some batteries, bro. Because you never know when your light gonna die. My light died on me about a week ago, and I ain't had no batteries. So it was dead for about a week. So yeah, order you some batteries, my boy. Second gun, obviously, it's gonna be a rifle. This is my 14.5 Aero Precision build. Get this out of the way. 14.5. It is pinned and welded with a VGS6 Gamma 556 muzzle device on there. I am gonna have a better magazine here. This is a 20 round mag. I am gonna have more than a 20 round mag when I'm carrying. I'm have actually a few mags, but I like these 20 round mags. They pretty dope, pretty lightweight. I don't know. These just look better. But this got everything I need on here. It's very light. What is it? I think this is Romeo 5. Let me see. Got the Romeo 5. This dot is pretty good. I got this a few years ago. I don't know why that's loose. I think I was adjusting it. But this Romeo 5 is pretty dope for this build. I got the Magpul backups. Those are pretty good too. We are clear. Just so you know, we are clear. I need to order this thing while I'm playing. Strike Industries latchless charging handle. I love this charging handle, bro. And let me bring this over here. We got the Vatatu laser and light combo. Now, one thing I had to do, I had to shave the little latch on this side so this can fit over here, but still works perfectly fine. Green beam, white light. It's pretty dope setup, pretty basic setup. Light also, so don't get you tripping because I ain't got all the extra curricular activities that y'all be putting on y'all rifles. Now, I could go all out and lie to y'all and say, oh no, I'm gonna carry my big 308. If you've never had a 308, you don't know how heavy this gun is, bro. You don't know how heavy that gun is. It's like carrying 2.5 ARs. That's how heavy it is. And I'm not playing. That thing is heavy. But, third. I don't see a lot of people mention this as their third, but I'm going to go 12 gauge. This is my Mossberg 590. I can't really call it a shotgun because it's not a shotgun, but it's my Mossberg 590. Got it loaded up with some number 4 buckshot and some double aught buck. I don't know why I don't got no slugs in there. I got a crazy amount of 12 gauge ammo way before I even had a 12 gauge. But this that one right here. Short. Say somebody get too close to you, can bow, hit him with the butt of that thing. And and then knock they noggin off. Cause I don't know no burglar or no person that needs to receive these. They not gonna like the outcome. Not even bullshit. They not gonna like the outcome of that number 4 buck or that double I buck. They ain't gonna like no buck coming out that motherfucker. This is my 3 guns and run. This is my 3 guns and run. If you finna make a 3 guns and run, so we got AR-15, Glock 45, Mossberg 590. Those are my 3 guns and run. That's my lightest setup that I can go with. Now I could go AR pistol. AR pistol got too much kick for me. Not gonna lie, I don't even know why y'all like AR pistols. It got too much kick for me. But I don't want a bigger shotgun. I don't want one with a stock on it. I don't want one with the pistol grip. If I could put a pistol grip on here, that would be cool, but it'd have to be a longer shotgun. So, this is my 3 guns and run. So if you're seeing this, make you a 3 guns and run. Let's see what your setup is. Let's see what you're gonna go with. But without further ado, bro, we out.